So let's go to our class files. We'll browse, and in our class files folder you'll see aircraft bracket.part. Double click on that to open it. Now, in preparation to optimize this part, I've already bulked it up and filled in any areas that I could while still staying within the design parameters so it doesn't hit any of the parts around it. And here's some examples of some aircraft brackets and where they're actually located in the plane. So I'm just going to start by experimenting with some ideas I have. So I go out to Generative Design, click on the Generative Design Study and the Design Space, and I'm going to add a force on these 4 holes. Now these are bolted down, and the offset, let's put in 3, and I'll also add a force to these holes up on the front here. Now it makes sense that the force on these holes would be pushing out or up, so I'm just going to go with that direction, and again I'll put in a offset of 3. And initially I'm not sure where to put the fixed constraint, so I might just jump out and inspect and see where the mass properties, where the center of mass and center of volume is. Let's update that so I can see where the center of mass is in there. But again, I don't want to put the fixed constraint in there yet. I want to get some ideas of where I am. I'll go back to Generative Design, and I'm just going to fix these 2 holes here and take the default offset. And my first study, I'll just go with the defaults here of 50. And so here's the feedback. Now obviously I should be able to remove more material than this. And so I'm going to go rerun the study and push this out from 50 to say 70. So let's take a look at our second run here. It actually looks pretty good. I do see some sharp edges right here, and so I may go and add a couple of rounds right there right now, and then lightweight this a little more. So I'll go back to my design body, round edge. Let's push that out to say 7. And I'll go back to Generative Design, Generate, and I'm on 70 right now. Let's push this out to 80 and see what happens. And we see on our third run this starts to break down and it's no longer connected on the front, for example. But before I go back and drop the target mass down from say 80 to 75, what I'd like to do is increase the study quality from 5 to say 15. So what's happening here, the study quality helps refine the model and fills these areas back in by moving mass where it's critical. Now I'd like you to take some time to go out and try to improve the result by going out and making adjustments to the study quality and the target mass.